in Jamaica. We went to the beyond the line, but it wasn't literally beyond the line because it was just literally over the line. The song says, have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? And now they're not like, hey. So we're obviously lip sync now. Hey, I'm home.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be safe, why make you clean so? Y'all be safe, why make you clean so? High grade smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman I feel, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them wet fragile. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like Doremi. Me want every y'all out halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if far from them can't see me. Inna the front, man I squeeze up them girlfriend kitty. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we no use.
Hello me old Jules, hello me new Jules, hello me in between Jules. I am so sorry that I have been MIA meaning missing in action, but I've been so sick and I've had assignments and a holy blah. You know how a young adult's life can get nowadays. But I'm back like a booty crack, back like I never left. So
today I'm coming with another story time. It's quite, it's quite soon say, because the real females or the real women of YouTube, that's a group that I've joined, wanted to hear a particular story time because I asked them their opinion and they gave me like, yes mama, you should be doing this one, so I'm gonna do this one because it's a cute story time.
Okay, so if you guys are not aware, I am in a long distance relationship, at LDR. So this story time is about the time that, me and Bae got a bit freaky deaky in the ocean. Ocean in the motion with the whales. I'm joking, the whales wasn't there, but if you get where I'm trying to come from. Alright, cool. Okay, so the story time a bit like this. So one day I was in Jamaica with Bae obviously, and we had gone to the pool. Well, not the pool, we'd gone to the seaside, which is also known the beach. It's the beach. Yeah, we've gone to the beach now and playing around. Yes, we were playing around in the ocean. We were playing, and we were actually playing a particular game. So it wasn't like we were playing no freaky deaky game. It wasn't even like that. We were actually playing a game. I can't remember what it's called, but we were playing a game, and then we swam out. So when you go to the Caribbean, there's always a perimeter where you're meant to stay in. So there's like always a little box where the hotels say stay in this quarter because it's the safe zone. But you know how when you with Bae and you are always feeling adventurous, so we went for a little swim. I'm joking, we didn't actually go for a swim, we literally just stepped hi mum. We literally had just swam beyond that point. So to say for instance the line is here, we literally just went over the line. So we had gone underneath the line. Come on, God, what are you doing? So we had gone this is why story times ain't good, because your mama gonna start looking at you like oh girl, I know your business. I know your business. Okay, so we had swam beyond the line, but it wasn't literally beyond the line because it was just literally over the line. So then, cause ahead, I'm back. I think this will make a lot more sense. This is Bae, so this is Sugar Bear, and this is the sugar bear that Bae actually gave me, my sugar bear. And this is me in about whatever. And I came from behind him and I was like, hello. So he's standing up in the ocean now, do you understand? So then we're all like, so we're all lip-sync and things. So it's a lip-sync thing. My cat is just doing the most right now. So we're obviously lip-sync now. And like, when you're with, when you just got that chemistry, that daddy kind of loving thing, yeah. So then our hands are obviously just all caressing each other like, yes, I'm feeling the wave, like I'm really feeling this, like so can you see how chinky my eyes are? Obviously look into my eyes, just look at my eyes. So when I pitch an idea, it's like, okay, my eyes are So then I was just like, oh babe, I'm home. So yeah, he was just like, alright, cool. So obviously I took off my key. You know, I'm laughing because family members are gonna see this, and it's just like, oh my god, like, oh. Anyways, yeah, so obviously now I just shimmied off the bikini, and I just, you know when a black girl just be horny, and it's just like, shit, I need me some D right now. That was it. So it was just like, literally, it was just like, but it wasn't like all the way down, it was like to my knee. So then this is what happened. So what happened, I say, this is babe, this is me. So I turned like this and I was on him like this. So we were trying to figure out how things was really meant to be going on and stuff, but it wasn't really working. So I was like, well, since that ain't working, then we might have to try something else. So obviously then I flipped around like this now, and I was like, you know, it's just like flew. I was like, hey, I opened my legs and I was just like, and then because you're in the ocean the ocean's moving anyway, so it makes some kind of sense. People probably think, oh, it's just the ocean moving, but we was all rocking and the ocean was all waving and we were all kissing. Well, to be quite honest, like if you had a prerogative mind, like I think that's the word. If you had like a smutty mind, then obviously you kind of know what was happening. So it was actually alright, but then it just got a bit tense in it because, you know, Jamaica's bright and it was in daylight and them things there, and it was just getting a bit long because, you know, sea water is salty and, you know, the pum-pum area is a bit delicate, yeah. So I mean, it ended because of that reason, and then because people just started to swim out where we was, and I was thinking, oh, allow it, like, yeah man, they've come to like squash the party, like party's done, party lock off, everything just stopped. So I just thought, okay, we left it. But you know, when we got home, it was like part 2. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the story time. Obviously, I couldn't really go in detail because it's quite explicit, and to be quite fair, I've looked at my analytics, and I do get viewers that are 13 upwards, and I don't want to really open their mind to certain things, even though I know in nowadays generation are quite, but I don't want to really be preaching like them kind of things to them. But obviously if you're an adult, you understand where I'm coming from. Yes, I know this thing's all cocking out, okay, so please don't no one get onto me. Okay, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the story time. Like, I've got loads of story times, but it's just like they're quite personal, like damn. But yeah, that is one of my story times with Bay. So Vibes Cartel have a song says, have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? And now they're like, I hope you enjoyed it. So please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Please, I want to see you guys comment. I really do want to see you guys comment. Next time I will try and make it a bit more longer, and I will try and make it a bit more detailed. But for now, y'all don't really know how. You don't really know how to enter into it. You understand? So that's where we're ending this story time for now. Thank you so much for checking into Msjulzb channel. Please come back again. I will try to do a story time every fortnight if I can, if I remember, because I've got so much. It's just like, actually, do I remember? But yeah, thanks again to my old jewels, my new jewels, my in-between jewels. You lots make it worthwhile. Thank you for everyone that's been commenting recently, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Listen, I have been getting the subscribers. It's like, yo, this is me, like, bruh, finally. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you to the man upstairs, because without him I don't know where I would be. This hair is really annoying me. But please do continue to show the love and support, because you know, when I make it, you make it. That is it. And remember, we're trying to get to 1,000 something subscribers so I can do my lit giveaway. Because you know, when I do my giveaway, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, yeah? So please, for the love of God, for the love of Msjulzb, if you enjoy watching me, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, tell your grandmas, your granddad, your uncles, your aunts.
In the front, man, I squeeze up them girlfriend kitty. Me have the key for the place.